Hello, this is a short video on how to bid for a carrot auction now that you've earned your carrot coins by making your daily goal, as well as earning reward points for every step you take. You can now swipe over to the auction tab and you should be able to see different auction items that are out there. So for instance, this auction item is sponsored by Beaumont. And in about 2 seconds it's going to go ahead and start bidding, or it's going to receive bids, and the starting bid is 10 carrot coins. And the way carrot auction works is it's a 60-second auction. Whoever has the highest bid after 60 seconds wins the auction. If you get outbid, the clock resets. So what you'll see here is a number of people bidding for this auction item. The current bid is 13, now it's 14, now it's 15, 17, 18. It goes for quite a while. Usually an auction will take about 3 to 5 minutes in duration. So what we're going to do is kind of cut away to when the final bids happen. We're currently at a bid of 31. I believe this ended up to be around 50 or 60. Anyways, I'll cut away and fast forward. And so the current bid is at 53. It's for a $5 Starbucks gift card. And that's sponsored by Beaumont Gets Walking. And again, inside Carrot, you can, any reward that you see on Carrot, you can bid for or buy. So with our different partnerships, feel free to go for any of the rewards that are out there. But as a carrot auction works, you know, it's going once and then it's going twice. The current bid is 53. Do I hear 53? At the same time, a $5 Alta was just released, and now that's also, so now it's currently at going twice for 53 coins, $5 Starbucks for 53 carrot coins. It's going twice, and now it's gone, and it gets replaced. And the current, now we have another 3 auctions that are going simultaneously right now. But that's how carrot auction works. It's really simple. You just look at the countdown when the auctions begin, and then we start accepting bids. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or email us at support@carrotwellness.com. Thank you.